Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself and my partner. I am Iman Utama and my partner is Paslian Sahat and Arya Putra Aji. We are from Group 7. In this presentation, we will discuss about insertion sort. Next. Next. Basic theory. Next. Algorithm. Algorithm is an effective method that addresses a finite list of defined sets of commands to compute a function. In problem solving, there are certain criteria in the initial condition that must be met before executing the algorithm. The algorithm will always terminate for all initial conditions that meet the criteria. Starting from the initial value, then a collection of commands which when executed will process the conditions that have been set to produce output and that determine the final condition. Next, data structure. A data structure is a way of storing of or representing data on a computer so that it can be used efficiently. Well, data is a representation of real-world facts. Facts or information about reality that is stored, recorded, or represented in the form of writing, sound, image, signal, or symbol. Next, sorting. Sorting algorithm is the process of rearranging a series of object from a data set into a logical order. Coleman et al. Basically, sorting compares data or element based on certain criteria and conditions. Indrayana and Isan. Next will be explained by Paslian Sahat.
Okay, next slide. Problem analysis. Next. The first one, implementation. Insertion sort works similar to the sorting of playing cards in hands. It is assumed that the first card is already sorted in the card game, and then author select an unsorted card. If the selected unsorted card is greater than the first card, it will be placed at the right side. Otherwise, it will be placed at the left side. Similarly, all unsorted cards are taken and put in their exact place. Next. And then implementation insertion sort data type double. The codingan is like this. Next. And then insertion sort data type integer like this. Next. And then the last one, insertion sort data type string like this. Next. And then the code of program, the codingan like this. Next. And then if we run the program, the output will be like this. It is the start of program. First, the system will ask for the type of data we want to sort. Next. And then input option. Suppose we choose data type 1, which is string. Then the system asks for the amount of data we want to sort. If it is, the system will ask what the contents of the data are with the large amount of data that has been previously entered. Then the system will output the data sequence before sorting and after sorting. Next. And then end of program. If it is, the system will ask whether to use the program again or not. If we choose yes, then the program will repeat itself. If no, then the system will stop and issue output as shown above. Next. And then next slide will explain for Ariputraji.
Okay. Next will be advantages. For advantage, the insertion sort is an in-place sorting algorithm, so the space requirement is minimal. It also exhibits a good performance when dealing with a small list. And last is the main advantage of the insertion sort is its simplicity. Next, the disadvantages. First, the insertion sort is particularly useful only when sorting a list of few items. Second, with n squared steps required for every n element to be sorted. The insertion sort does not deal order with a huge list. I think that's all from us. Sorry if there were mistaken and deficiencies. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.